Hi viewers, how are you? First of all, Eid Mubarak to all. Today we are making a diet plan. In whole Ramadan, we are eating lots of fried things that may add few pounds in our weight. Even we want to lose our weight in Ramadan, but unfortunately, it's not happen. Normally we are gaining weight, so today we are looking for a diet plan that can help us to reduce 7 to 8 kgs in per month, but strictly we have to follow the diet plan with other tips that can help us to reduce weight. So let's start. We are going to start with breakfast. What we have to take first, before the starting of day, first we need to take a weight loss drink. Any weight loss drink that I already told you, the magical one or other one, or if you want to use any your choice, you can. Here I am giving you a lot of options. Like the first one is Weetabix with milk. You can use 2 Weetabix biscuits with milk, and if you add some kind of flavor in that, you add honey, or maybe you add some dates or nuts, anything. If you want to use in the Weetabix, you can. I'll show you. I have this Weetabix. Weetabix helps a lot in weight loss. It helps a lot because it is low in sugar. Normally we are saying this we only can use in the morning, but if we can use in the whole day, like in 3 meals, we can use just Weetabix. Even only with the Weetabix, we can lose 7-8 kgs. But obviously, it's not possible. We are taking only one thing. It makes it too much bore, and we are unable to continue. So we have lots of variety. Second breakfast, like you have to choose any one. Second breakfast is boiled eggs. How many boiled eggs? You can take 2 boiled eggs. If you want to take whole eggs, then you take only 2. And if you are tea person or caffeine person, you can take a 1 cup of tea or coffee, but without sugar. Obviously you need sweetness. Instead of sugar, you can use honey. Okay, you can use 2 whole boiled eggs or 3 boiled egg whites. If you want to use only 3 boiled egg whites, you want to skip the yogurt, then add 1 triangle cheese in your meal. Why? Because our body needs fats, and cheese is a very good fat that gives us energy for the whole day. We need energy. If we are totally skipping the fats, even that are good one, then we will feel too much weakness in our body. So we need to take any kind of fat. Either you take whole egg or 1 triangle cheese, or third one, oatmeal or porridge. Oats can help a lot in the weight loss. You can boil oats in the milk or in the water, but the best thing, you can boil in the milk. Plus, now I am showing you here, we have 3 breakfast recipes. Anyone you can choose, or you have a 1 month, like you can change. Sometime you take Weetabix, sometime boiled egg, sometime all egg whites, and sometime porridge. But you need to take weight loss drink after every meal. If you need a rapid weight loss, then you need to take a weight loss drink. Like minimum, at least you take 2 times weight loss drink, like 1 time in the morning and 1 time when you are going to bed. Morning 1 time with empty stomach. When you got up, then take 1 glass weight loss drink, and after that, like after half an hour, or it is good that if you take after 1 hour your breakfast, that is very good. And after half an hour, take tea or sugar. Like if you're eating Weetabix or boiled eggs or oats porridge or anything, take tea or coffee after half an hour. Don't take your tea or coffee with your breakfast. No, give a gap between your eating and your drinking. Like with your meal and with tea or coffee, at least have half an hour gap. Next up is our lunch. So what we have in our lunch, we have salads. Like you take a lot of salad that makes your stomach full. What do you take in salad? Any veggies you want to take, like cucumber, tomato, onion, cabbage, any raw veggies. Even you can take cauliflower or carrots or any veggies that you like to eat, you take. And second thing, take chicken 100 gram. In one serving, 100 gram for one person is enough. If you want to take breast chicken or boneless chicken or legs, any part you take, okay. And plus you take 2 kebabs. Use chicken kebab because beef and mutton cannot help you in the weight loss. So this is your lunch, and see, it is a very good, and like it feels you full all day full. It have lots of stuff to eat, salads, chicken, kebab. If you want to skip any of the one thing, you can. If you don't want to take chicken, don't take. If you want to skip kebab, it's okay. Even if you are not feeling full and you want to take 3 kebabs, you can, but not more than 3, because we already take breakfast. Now we are on our lunch and the day is on, and still we have to take dinner. So please, weight loss is a good thing, but we can't lose our weight if we are not zip out our mouth, if we are not closing our mouth, and we stop our hands, then we will lose our weight. And the third step is our dinner. In dinner, take fish or chicken, and anything. It is your choice, up to you. But take grilled chicken or fish. If it's not possible that you take grill, then take even steam cooked. Or if you didn't have steam cooked option, then just cook in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's also good, no problem. And 2 more kebabs. This is not like you have to take this. No, if you are full, then skip any of this thing. But with this breakfast, lunch and dinner, you have to follow few rules. If you are not going to follow that rules, obviously you will not lose your weight. So here we have rules that can help to reduce weight. We should drink 12 to 14 glass of water, 7 to 8 hours sleep, at least half an hour walk. You can start with 20 minutes, then you can increase and even go on 1 hour walk. And then just skip carbs, just forget about rice and roti. Just forget for 1 month, and use weight loss drink can boost up the metabolic rate that helps us to reduce weight. So this is our complete diet plan. If you like my diet plan, then please like my video, subscribe my channel. I will tell you more tips and more things regarding losing weight, and the things that you have to do while you are doing such kind of exercises. Like you are taking any kind of crash diet plan or a good diet plan, you have to do some rules, you have to follow some rules. I will tell you later. Okay, bye.